Hello everyone, I'm Loretta from Perfectly Popped Balloons and welcome back to part 2 of this series. The first episode was the Lincoln wall behind me, and today we're going to be making a beautiful sunshine to add to this wall. So we have used Sempertex Pastel Matte Yellow, just 5-inch balloons blown to 5-inch and 3-inch, and you will need 15 of these quads made like this. We are going to use a 260 to tie them all together. There'll be 30 in total to make the whole circle, but we're going to use a 260 to tie them together. Make sure that you take the air out of your 260 by pinching the end, pulling all the way down, tying in a knot, and then use that very end, take one of your quads, tie that off, or tie it in. So you'll have something that looks like this, and then we want to get the second one and we want to keep adding that in until it forms a circle. It will start to bend round as you make it. You will start to see it coming together. So trust the process, as they say. I'm always teaching my students to trust the process, so that's what I'm also going to do today. So we are going to put those two together. Put your 260 around one like this, making sure they look like that. Get your next one, match it up around the one, like that. Next one. You can see it's starting to curve. And then the last one, and just keep adding, keep going until you have your full circle. So that's what I've done with 5, and when you get your full circle it will look something like this, which is perfect. I think they are super fun. I think we could do so much with these, but we're going to turn this into a sunshine. After having connected all of your quads together and you have created your perfect circle, we are now going to turn this into a sunshine. I have used the Satin Luxe Pastel Yellow foil balloon from Anagram, and it looks like this. And we are simply, so easy, we're going to put it right in the middle in here, and those balloons, the inside balloons, just keep it perfectly in place, like that. And now for another easy bit, let's make this now look more like a sunshine. We're going to use this pennant banner because I thought these would be fantastic to make the rays of the sunshine. So I'm going to take one and just place it, you just wedge it in underneath each and every one of those top balloons. So you really should need just 15 in total, and they do stay put. It's tried and tested. You don't need to do anything other than slide them in, and the friction and the tension should keep them in. So go around all of them, creating this sunshine look. I love using outside elements in my balloons. You don't always have to do everything with balloons to create something. I think this looks super good. Wait till you've seen the finished product. If you get hairs on your balloon, use your hand pump to blow them off. Or your machine pump. Machine pump's my favourite. Here we go. Look at this. I love it. You can also add a smiley face on the front with vinyl if you wanted. I'm just obsessed with this. Now, use your preferred method to attach it to the wall, whether that be a 260, glue dots, whatever you prefer, add it onto your wall. I I hope you enjoyed the tutorial of the sunshine. I hope it makes you smile as much as it did me. Stay tuned for part 3 where we're going to make a rainbow to add to this display. I've been Loretta from Perfectly Popped Balloons, and please follow me on Instagram.